Hello, my people, and welcome. So, if you be one of those students where they struggle with this particular topic where they call inequalities for mathematics, so today now I go come answer your prayers. But this particular question I go use and teach you plenty things where you never know for inequality or where they not teach you, where they struggle with, and the opportunity to carry know all those confusion where they get with this. Now, the first thing I'll take do for this particular video now to show you some symbols when they use some sign we use under this inequality. I wan try you whether you go fit remember. Just follow me dey talk am or dey write am for comment section. I go dey see am. If you see this particular symbol, wetin be the name of this symbol? Put am before I finish to write all the symbol. Put the answer for comment section. Do quick o. I dey wait. Make I put am like 6 like this. So I no wan do am pass like this. Make I just leave this one like this. Make we use am do. If you put this one, if your answer for comment section na greater than, you correct. Greater than, then you correct. Congratulations. What of this one? If your answer na less than, you correct. I tell you get plenty things I want to teach you. So now the first thing I want to teach you be this one, make you remember. This one are greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. I beg no be equals to. If you dey follow the talk equals to, change today. Call am equal to. But if you want really call am equals, if you add s here, then no put to. You go say equals, you leave am like that. Or equal to. When you no add s, na equal to. But when you add s, you go remove the to. You go remove am. Na so e be for English normally. Make you call something where this one are less than, or equal to. This one na be that equal to we dey talk about. Equal to or equals. This particular one is not equal to. Not equal to. Na make dem cross am say no, this one no be equal to be that too. If this one don clear, the next thing wey I wan show you, remember say representation of inequality in number line na part of the question I wan solve. So two things I wan make you know. E get when you dey get open dot like this and tick dot like this. You go see am for textbook. Tick and open dot like this. This one they call am open dot. This one they call am tick. Tick dot. This particular na the weak dot wey you dey use when they use less than or equal to. When they use less than or equal to, or maybe you get am as maybe they use greater than or equal to for graph. Now you go dey use when you go see this dot. Anytime you see dot, know say na this symbol dey for that equation. But when you see less than and maybe something like greater than for that particular question, and the same you represent am for number line, now you go dey see this particular open dot. Na im be strong. Na im be this one na the weak. In fact, just know say this one na for open, this one na for top. They use am for less than, greater than. They use this one for less than or equal to or greater than equal to. Na im be the two things wey I wan strike for this particular one. The last thing wey I wan show you before we begin solve this one na the issue of negative sign. People, students dey struggle for this negative. They no know say -1 dey big. E big pass, e dey greater than -6 or -7 or -8. They no even know say zero big pass -5 sef. They no know. You understand? So the distance -1 small, so -6 suppose big pass. No, no be like that. Just know say -1 big pass -6. In fact, as the number just dey go up, as the number dey increase, -7, -8, -9, -20, -50, na so e dey go smaller o. No be so na so e dey big. But as e dey reduce dey come, na so e dey big. E go reduce from -50 until -10, -7, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You see as e dey go. So I don clear this particular one. So the last thing I wan tell you, I wan just show you one thing join. Anytime wey you dey divide or multiply, na only when this sign dey change from greater than, less than to less than, na only when you dey divide something or you dey multiply something by minus. Make we just put am like this. When minus dey cross go the other side, na im the sign here fit change. If negative sign dey cross from one side or divide dey go the other side, e no dey change. I go show you example of that last thing wey I talk for this particular question I wan solve. So they say, what is the range of values of x for which half of 1 minus x is less than 3? So the first thing we go do before we go represent that for number line, we go find the range of values for x. When we don find am first, the next thing we go do na to represent the answer wey we get for number line. Make we run am. So the solution of this problem dey simple. First thing first, try to bring out this question. Half of 1 minus x less than 3. How I want to get this particular x? This half will give us wahala. If we find way to remove this half, the best way to remove this half, because now 2 there, multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, because this 2 now will cancel out with this particular 2. 1 times 1 minus x now still 1 minus x. So that's very easy. Bring down the sign wey you see there, no change am first. So 3 times 2 na 6. Wetin be the next thing you suppose do? If by this time you don watch am reach now, you still dey enjoy the video, abeg hit the subscribe button. If you never subscribe, if you don subscribe, no worry yourself. If you don hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so that anytime wey I upload new video, na you go first receive notification. And don't forget to share this particular video after this class. Abeg share am, like am, because na wetin go make this video go meet others so they make dem for fit watch am. Oya, make we continue. How I wan take remove? You know say normally if you want miss x today alone, you go wan say make 1 cross go the other side, make it change to -1. But the best way to talk am be say subtract 1 from both sides, because na +1 there. I wan use -1 remove this +1. So 1 minus 1 go be 0. This one don go. Wetin remain here na minus x less than 6 minus 1 will give us 5. But no be the answer of x. Now x they say make we find. They don't say make we find minus x. See where they tell you now. So if I want make x to stand alone, come they remove this negative sign, it will make this particular sign come change. Either they say multiply both sides by minus or divide both sides by -1. Whether they divide or they multiply, this sign must change. But if not positive, wahala no dey. So see what I talk. If I say multiply both sides by this minus or -1, multiply both sides by minus, multiply this side by minus, minus will give us wetin? Plus. So s will remain. This particular less than sign will come change to greater than. So 1 times minus times 5 will give us -5. Now the answer wey dem say make you find for this particular x that. But we need to represent this particular guy for number line. Wetin e come be this number line? Na just straight line, no. Nothing there, na just straight line like this. See why I put this arrow for this side now, because they say x greater. So greater na something wey big, they go this side. See what I show you. If you draw straight line like this, you will just put 0. Meaning say if you divide the line into 2, this other side na positive number you will get. Positive number na you will just get there for this side. For others, from this 0 go this side na negative numbers go dey. Wetin I mean by positive and negative numbers? See, from 0, after 0 now -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, they go like that till minus infinity. Here now positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they go like that. You understand? Now so number line they be. So now they can't say make you represent this one for number line. They say x greater than -5. So you have -5 there. They say x greater than. See the symbol they use, greater than. So now this side now you can see the arrow, they go that side. So for this particular x, remember that thing what I tell you. Anytime we see less than or greater than, now this particular open dot you go use. But if to say yeah now greater than or equal to, you will use tick 1. E clear abi? So now as now open dot, as now less than what we see, now greater than what we see here, we will use this particular open dot from where -5 dey, that number we they talk about. So you do open dot for this particular place. Then they say greater than -5. We know say -4 dey greater than, -3 dey greater than -5, -2 dey greater than this one. So it means if they go this direction. You get the point clear now? Now so you go take represent this particular thing for number line. Very simple. And why I use this particular one? Because I see greater than. What if now less than where they there? I for still see use the same one. But if now greater than or equal to any of these things, 9 day here, then I go use this tick 1 for this particular place. If this particular video don't clear, I explain everything from the start to the finish. You enjoy them. Don't forget to share this particular video. Let me know for comment section how the thing sweet you reach. And let me know the part where you want to teach you. If you know be this topic, if it be another subject, let me know for comment section. I will come back. I will read them, come teach you. I hope say this one sweet you. Until next time I will see you. If you struggle for prostate problem, or you want to join our prostate class, or any particular class, na NECO with the plan. This one na NECO past question will solve. So they come for prostate. Any exams with the plan, let me know. I dey active to teach you.